Steve Jones here with the Hardscape channel. I've got with me today Ted Corvey from Pine Hall Brick. Ted.
Steve, always a pleasure.
Great to see you again down here in Orlando at the Interlocking Concrete Pavement Institute annual meeting in Orlando. Interesting that you're here at a concrete pavement annual meeting and you are a clay manufacturer.
Yeah.
Maybe you could tell us a little bit about that.
Well, we're the largest clay paver supplier in the United States, and we really feel it's important to be a part of the industry and be a part of the process. And clearly, ICPI has developed the resources and initiatives that they've really put themselves in a leadership role, and we really want to be part of that.
Well, that's huge for a company of your size and your history to come into a different part of the industry and serve, because you serve on the Hardscape North America Committee.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
And you've been serving now since its inception.
Yeah.
Well, we want to thank you for that. Can you tell us a bit about the uniqueness of clay pavers over concrete?
Brick is man's oldest manufactured building product and dates back thousands of years to the days of the Romans, the Indus Valley civilizations, and of course brick is the main component for the Great Wall of China. So it's a time-honored product, and it lasts a long time.
Proven.
So it's not unusual that clay bricks got used for pavement applications. What really occurred was that the brick industry kind of went to sleep for a long period of time and didn't really focus on clay paving. And along in the early 70s, concrete folks came out with a variety of shapes and colors, and grew a market that was about 100 million 4x8 equivalent units that today is over 1 billion of those units. So we really saw as an opportunity for our company to get involved and create a niche in clay paving. There are some unique differences. We're a vitrified product. In other words, we fire it to 2,000 degrees. We fuse particles together. That's what makes it last a long time. Also makes it color fast, so that the color you have today is going to be the same color that you're going to have 20, 30, 100 years down the line. So we think we bring some unique alternatives to paving products, and we don't expect that we're going to take over the market, but we do think that there's a good place for clay. It's a natural material. It's very traditional, so we think it's got a position within the marketplace.
We've had a number of other interviews, not just here at the ICPI annual meeting, but at other locations, talking to contractors about the success they have of integrating multiple materials in a single project, from clay pavers to concrete pavers to wall products to natural stone. And we see a lot more of that than maybe we did even 5 years ago.
That's probably the biggest trend in the marketplace, is this mixing of materials together, and designers not just going in one direction or another. I think they've been there, done that, so now they're looking to create different looks by putting these materials together, and we've got a great example right out here in front of the hotel.
Well, if we could spin the camera around, I could show you right outside the window down by the pool area. It's pretty astounding.
Yeah, so I think we're seeing a lot more of that, and it just creates a lot more design options.
Certainly. Ted, I want to thank you for coming for the interview today. I'll have another one with you here shortly, and we'll discuss some other issues.
Wonderful.
Thanks, Ted.
Thanks.